はい、今日は新しいセクションに入ります。Accounting changes and error corrections. The company is preparing its year 4 financial statements, which will include the current and prior year activities, while all other years were correct. The controller discovered that depreciation in year 3 was understated by 400,000. This discovery should be handled in a presentation of the financial statement as an adjustment to A. Current year depreciation, B. Beginning retained earning for year 3, C. Beginning retained earning for year 4, D. Prior year depreciation. これなんですけれども、もうちょっと解説します。まず、understated by 400,000. Understated by は there's no correction necessary. So, no, wait, understated by it's opposite. You need to change the prior year depreciation. なので、答えは D です。Yeah. But just D is correct. The understatement of depreciation is an error. That will need the correction because the year 4 financial statement will represent both current and prior years. And because the depreciation error is related to year 3, the prior year in the scenario, the adjustment can be made to correct depreciation in year 3. Oh, I see. そういうことね。Year 3は understated also. この year 4を include the current and prior year activity ということなんで、そういうつながりがあるし、understated ということで、prior year depreciation